People have been making jokes about how meteorologists have named the blizzard of 2016 Winter Storm Jonas. Well, it turns out you can actually put together an appropriate Jonas Brothers playlist for Winter Storm Jonas. Ready? Go. So the first song on our Jonas Brothers Winter Storm Jonas playlist is Before the Storm. You play that before the storm. This 2009 hit was performed with Miley, Cyrus. Then, as the storm gets closer and you're stocking up your bread and milk, you play Paranoid. So now you're trapped inside. The snow is accumulated. All you have is your peanut butter and Nutella sandwiches. What song do you play on your Winter Storm Jonas playlist? 2007's S.O.S. This was a hard one on my Winter Storm Jonas playlist. What Jonas Brothers song do you play while you're shoveling snow? Well, I did a little digging, and you play the Jonas Brothers cover of the Little Mermaid's Poor Unfortunate Souls.
Unfortunate souls, go ahead, make your choice. I'm a very busy person and I haven't got all day. It won't.
Get it? Think of those poor unfortunate souls shoveling. What Jonas Brothers song do you play when you see your neighbor has a snowplow and you're just using a shovel? Nick Jonas's Jealous.
It's my right to be hellish. I still get jealous.
And now Winter Storm Jonas has ended. What Jonas Brothers song do we play to bring our playlist to a close as the snow melts? 2008's Burning Up.
'Cause I'm burning up for you, baby.
Tweet this one to a Jonas Brother. Tweet this one to a weatherman. I want our Winter Storm Jonas playlist to go viral.